Hey, this is Predator Armor coming to you today on this wonderful cold day. We have a fresh snowfall and we thought, you know, why not go out and shoot a plate? So what we got here in front of me is we got a little kind of like something jerry-rigged together. In this video, what I like us to do is we're gonna shoot this Kevlar plate, this level 3 plate that's Kevlar wrapped. It's our normal level 3 plates. And we're gonna shoot with 9mm. We're gonna shoot it as many times as we can until we get some spalling to penetrate our Kevlar and hit these soda bottles that are sitting along the side here. We understand that we're kind of not covering all avenues approach, but that's why we kind of put this tape here. And the plan of action is we're gonna end up just shooting 5 rounds each time and kind of coming and checking on the plate, seeing where it's at, talk about what we see, and everything, just be straightforward with everything. This is kind of informational for us and for you, and we'd like to see how well our Kevlar wrapping really does and how many 9mm rounds can you take until it penetrates the outside. So, you know, I'd say take a guess, take a wild guess. I'm gonna say maybe about 20, but we'll see. So we'll get to it. All right, so today we're gonna be shooting that plate, like I said earlier, with 9mm bullets. These are 115 grain, full metal jacket. I'm gonna be using the Sig Sauer M17 pistol, and let's kind of get to it. So we'll take the first shot, we'll go inspect it, see how everything's doing, and then from there we'll send the next 4. All right. Pretty simple, let's go check it out. All right, so we got the first shot right here in the center. As we thought, nothing would happen. The Kevlar captured all the spalling, but that's not what we're here to talk about. We already know that this can stop our 9mm and hold it in. We want to find out how many times we have to shoot it. So we're gonna go back, shoot the other 4 rounds, and then after that, we'll kind of do in volleys of 5. Let's do it. All right, let's do the next 4. All right, clear. All right, you can see our 5 rounds that we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing's coming around the outside, nothing on the tape. I mean, it's all center mass on this plate. Well, we're just gonna start shooting it. All right, cool, let's get to it. We'll load up the next 10. Check it out. So far we've shot 15 rounds at this plate, all pretty much center mass, so you know, everything's holding up pretty good. We got nothing coming around the outside from what we can see. Bottles haven't had anything hit to it, neither has the duct tape. So yeah, we'll just kind of keep shooting at it. I'll start to aim a little bit, maybe more around the corners here to see if we can kind of provoke that spalling, but for the most part, I'll try to keep for the center mass. All right, so we're gonna shoot another 10 rounds into it. We're at 15 right now, 5, 5, 5. Let's try it out. Sweet, so we've got 25 rounds shot into this plate so far. I think this will be the last time we kind of walk up here and check on it. I think we're just gonna kind of keep sending rounds until we see something happen or until we see anything kind of popping out through the sides on it. So, but yeah, it's held up so far, 25 9mm rounds. All right, so we're currently at 25 shot into the plate. I'd say, you know, we're just gonna go ahead and shoot another 25 straight into it without walking up and checking on it. Or if something happens, we'll stop there. But let's get to it. All right, 5 more. All right, 5 more. All right, let's go check on it. All right, so far we have sent 50 rounds into this plate. We got the bottle kind of moving here, shifting. There's nothing going on over here. We are starting to get some blowout on this left side here of this plate. Everything, it also might be because I had a stray shot go off that way, but there is nothing penetrating the bottle. We had a little bit right through here, but again, nothing has dented these bottles. The duct tape still has no holes in it, everything here. So we've definitely put 59mm rounds into this and still nothing besides just this like protrusion right here. But yeah, you can see some of the stuff coming out and nothing on the back side of it either. So it's pretty insane. We'll go ahead and just kind of push these back and make sure we're catching anything that happens. All right, so we've already shot 50 rounds at this plate so far. We can see it's starting to kind of disintegrate on the bottom left-hand side there. We have yet nothing yet touched the bottle. So we're gonna send another 20 rounds at this and see where it's at. It's getting cold out here, so, you know, I mean, I hope nothing happens, but we'll see. Woo! Woo! Look at that, there we got something. Make sure you're clear. Now let's go look at it. So, 53 is our number right now for this Kevlar wrapped plate for our level 3 here. It's pretty insane to think about that, especially too if you're in a firefight and you take 53 rounds to the chest. If you notice though, I mean, the Spalding did go out through the side. So if you are fighting and everything like that, it wouldn't be hitting any of your vital organs and stuff unless your arms or hands are down. But I mean, still center mass on that plate and we had the penetration over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this bottle up and see if we can start seeing what it looks like. So let's go ahead and just grab this. There it is, there's the hole. We'll stand over here. You can kind of see that penetration. We'll hold the bottle right there. Punctured through. Looks like we had a little bit of a scuff right there, but that's where it's at. It's insane. It's pretty crazy to think that. Yeah. Let's take this plate and what we'll do is we'll cut it open, look at it, and see what all we got on the inside here. All right, so as I was walking over here with the plate to my truck, I went to put it down on the truck on the back side, but I tilted it downwards and I got this huge pile of brass and all the shells and the copper jackets and everything just right here that just literally fell out the bottom corner of this plate. It's pretty insane actually how much it caught. I mean, 53 rounds is a lot. So let's go ahead and try to dissect this. I feel like the best way to go about doing this is let's just pull the pad off here. Man, look at this thing. Wow, we got that's pretty insane. you can see what that Kevlar can do. You know, a big thing a lot of people in the anti-steel community love to talk about is that spalling. And I mean, it is no joke if you don't have something Kevlar wrapped, what that can do to you. We obviously saw it with just a soda bottle, but if it can penetrate that, I'm fairly positive that will be going through your skin or into your skin. But we got 53 9mm bullets that went into this plate to see how much that this Kevlar stopped. And I mean, that's, that alone is just insane. I mean, how hard this Kevlar has gotten and everything from it all, you know, that's literally just chunks of it. And you can see all the steel that's been pushed through from the front part. Look at that. Whew. That's insane. But that Kevlar held up pretty damn good. That's insane. Look at that. Cool. So, anyways, it's a pretty good video, good test on that, on our level 3 Kevlar wrapped plates. If you really like this video and you want to see more like this and different calibers shot at it, let us know. We could test it with the 5.56 because we know that this can stop the 5.56 round. And just to see how many rounds it takes until it destroys. I like this bottle test. I think it's an interesting way and something different. So until next time.